have a feeling this is going to be fun. Can you tell by the look on my face? Are you ready to see another SHEIN haul with more items this time? Well, hold on. We'll get to it. I promise. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Here I am. So, if you have a moment, just go ahead and, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know, the things I always say. Have you done it yet? Okay, cool. All right, let's get immediately into this. So, I have 2 bags here from SHEIN. I tried this before. I'm trying this again with more items this time, and I think I have my size down. My goal is to cover up all this stomach, this fupa, these love handles, to cover it up. So, first item I have here is the plus all over print ruffle hem belted halter dress in a size 0XL. This only cost me $10.49, y'all. But you can't tell how cheap this was by the look of this dress, y'all. First off, I think it's great quality. This is like rayon light material. I love that it has a belt. I love the design. I love that it has ruffles at the bottom. It's nice, cute, girly. I love that it is a halter top, but it's a halter that doesn't choke you. I think it's fitting me pretty well here. I love that the belt gives me some shape to this dress, gives me a waist, and most importantly, hides that fupa, y'all. Wonderfully camouflages it. This is cute. Get some little heels, flat sandals, whatever your ankles and your knees can take. And I think you're set. So, moving on, next item I have here is a plus floral print ruffle trim dress in the size 0XL. The price, y'all, $9.99. And for that price and this look, you can't beat it at all. This is another lightweight dress. It's not see-through or anything. I like that it is V-neck, it kind of crosses over, so it gives you that little wraparound feel at the top and nice and flowy at the bottom, hits me at the knees. You guys, I am 5'1", so I'm short, but I love the ruffle sleeves. Now it does fall in a, it could go up a little bit more up my shoulders, but hey, everything can't be perfect. But I tell you, I like the print. This gives me fall vibes, and this is something you can wear in spring and summer as well. So, moving on. Next item here I was super excited about because I love the print. This is a SHEIN Sexy Plus tropical print tube jumpsuit. Only $9.99, y'all. Now, this one here, honestly, I love the print, but I am not happy with the way it fits me. I don't know why. This jumpsuit kept inching towards my left. I don't know what that was about. I kept pulling it back over. It kept sliding back over. This hugs every little last bit of my stomach that I have. Do not like that at all. And I'm confused on the bottom of this. It kind of has like a bell bottom type feel to the bottom of it, but it's like hitting me not at the ankles. And this is a 0XL. I did decide to go ahead and get a jacket to see if it will help me cover up some of my stomach, but it was just not working. And for some reason, this is stretchy. I like that stretches. I just do not like the feel of it. And I feel like if I sit down in my car or something like that, I feel like the top of this is just going to all of a sudden be at my waist and slide right on down. Also, the worst thing about this is see-through. So if you're thinking of hiding anything, it's not going to work, honey. This is going to show everything you got underneath, on top. It's going to show everything. No, this was a no for me. We're going to have to move on from that, okay? Next item here, I was excited to see because I needed another black shirt. I do wear a lot of black shirts, but I needed something that was like a long t-shirt. I like that this has a wraparound feel to it at the top. I do like the fact that it has pearl detailing in it, and that's the whole reason why I wore pearls. I like the fact that it's V-neck. You know, this is really cute to me. This is really cute. I don't know about how it crosses over here. It keeps riding up, but I do like the fact that it's trying to give you more of a waist, you know, be a little bit more shapely. I can wear this with jeans. I can wear in particular high-waisted jeans, so I think that's cool. A skirt, you know, maybe a pencil skirt, something like that. Clearly I didn't wear the right bra with it, but y'all get the point. You know, we're just starting out at this clothing type haul situation, but you know, we're gonna get better. I do feel cute though. I do feel cute. Again, the detailing, it feels nice, it's comfortable, it's stretchy, you know, so not bad. Moving on, next item I have here is my last item, and this is the plus drop shoulder drawstring hooded sweater, knit and knit pants. Only $17.49, y'all. I'll tell you, I was very impressed with the quality of this. Look at this. This is straight sweater material. It is thick, well made, stretches. I love the arms and the way it cuffs at my my wrists. I love that the hood is actually a decent sized hood that will actually cover my whole head if I wanted to. I love the pocket in the front and the two pockets in the back. I feel cute, but at the same time, you know, I wasn't ready for the hoodie to ride up, but it's fitted. So, you know, if I didn't have all this Fupa itch down here, you know, it would be super cute. But again, it still is cute. And look at the detailing at the bottom, y'all. It's like straight sweater material. It's really nice quality, really well made, and I think this is something I'll wear with my white Air Force Ones. So yeah, I like it. So anyway, what do y'all think? This is my second time doing a SHEIN haul. I purchased more items this time, all completely affordable. I think everything was okay. Everything was more than okay, except for that halter whatever number. I mean, I expected more from it, I just didn't get it, but I love this dress right here. This is my favorite. It's so cute to me. Wear those with some black heels. I love this. Wear this with some brown heels or even the brown boots, you know, a jacket. I love this outfit right here. It's nice, warm, and cozy, y'all. I was super hot while I was up in it. I was ready to get it off because this is not the weather for it yet, but this will take me nicely into winter, and I love that black shirt. So anyway, let me know what you think. Do you like all the things? Should I keep going on? Maybe next time I'll include shoes and accessories, but you know, we're taking one step at a time. Make sure you subscribe so you know when I upload another one of these. I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.